Oh, let's try that again. Thumbnail. Hey everybody, it's the day before Thanksgiving. Sorry for the glare, but just bear with me. Cause it's not about me, it's about. I already know if I can go ahead and do an unboxing. If you read the title, Shein. I heard I don't even want to say what I heard, never mind. But just know, I'm a little scared to look in here, just a little bit. Oh, let's try that again. Thumbnail.
She even has my color pattern, and her world lives in her hazel legs. Was it by mistake that you found someone whose body favors more summer? But I bet she doesn't know how much you need your pillow talk. 'Cause I bet she doesn't like when you become too emotional. She even has her life set up, and her mind is where it's supposed to be. Was it by mistake that you found someone who sees the future just like me? But I bet she can't imagine spending her whole life with you. And I wish you would at least pretend that you don't want her to. She
Thank you. Very grateful for you all. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to see the try on haul for this box.